This is the home screen of the application, and you pretty much can create your own poster by just tapping on your create poster option here, and you're able to use all of their templates. Some of them may need subscription to use, with ones with Chrome icon going to need subscription to use those templates. So here, as you can see, you can scroll down a bit and see whichever template I want to use. As you can see, quite a lot of templates here. So I'll just scroll and look for what I want. Let's say, for example, the free ones. I'm going to select one of these free ones here. Once I've selected the template I want to use, can just select it again, and I'll be able to edit the template here. You can also animate the template, meaning picture to video using AI option there. So as you can see here, this is pretty much the template, and I can go ahead and edit as how I want. And as well, you have some editing tools down here, which you can use as well. So once you have done editing your template, you can go ahead and save it, and you're pretty much good to go. Also, as it relates to size, indeed, you do need subscription to get or customize your size as it relates to the poster or your flyer. So once you have done that, you just tap on save, and you're pretty much good to go. It will be saved in your gallery. So once you have pretty much watched the ad, this is pretty much the template, and you're pretty much good to go. That's how simple it is to use this application here. So over here, you may see customize poster. You can tap on this option here, and not just creating your poster, you can create other things like Facebook cover, flyer, profile pics, and also WhatsApp stories, Pinterest posts, YouTube thumbnail, and so forth. All depends upon what you guys want to create. So that's really pretty much it for this, as you can see there. And also you can create AI logo. Pretty much tap on that option here, and as you can see, a lot of logos which you can use. All I have to do is just select on the one that I want to use, and some of them going to require subscription to use those as well. So do keep that in mind. So to get the subscription, all you have to do is tap on the crown icon down at the bottom here. You'll be able to get your subscription. You have a monthly subscription, weekly subscription, and also a lifetime subscription as well. So it all depends upon what you want. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And over the My Work section, this is pretty much where you find all your posters and also all your logos as well, the ones that are in the draft and the ones that you have saved. So that's it. If I missed anything, comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.